everybody. So today's video is about Kalamkari silk sarees. Before also we have some recorded videos. So this is another section of new designs. Okay, we'll start seeing the designs. So the first is this hand print saree. This is a quite very pretty famous design. So this is how it looks. So this is the pallu for this. So pallu is in the nice peacocks. This is an old but a very famous design. So this only one piece is available. So this is a hand design, basically dancing poster design. So the pallu, the border you will get like this in a big border. So this is very soft silk and very soothing on the skin. So this is how it looks in the black and cream color combination. Yeah. So this is the look. Okay, so yeah, chosen. This is the pallu. So this is the blouse. Blouse you will be getting in the small circle in the white and black design. This is saree number 1. So colorful is this go. So saree number 2 is in the nice traditional combination, light yellow color with the red color border saree. So whatever sarees today I'm showing you in the live show, these are like pretty famous designs or the patterns that we have sold in the last 1.5 year. So yeah, this is how it is. Nice floral yellow color with the nice contrast big border combination. So the border is like this in the how we see in the temples. So in the same way, nice traditional lady design all over. So this is how it looks in the yellow and the red combination. So this is the pallu. Pallu you get in the peacock design. So this is how it looks, the body of the saree and the look when you drape it. So nice yellow and the red color combination. Okay. So the blouse is this. Blouse is in the cream color background with the red color flowers. Okay, this is how it is when you put the steps. So this is how it looks in the yellow and the red color combination. This is saree number 2. Saree number 3 is a nice elephant design in the nice bright orange color background and a colorful elephant design. So this is how it looks. So in Kalamkari, what we think it is nice bright designs you get. So yeah, this is how it looks. Nice orange color with the colorful elephants. So this is how it looks. You know, the final look kind of thing. Okay, the final look is like this. So the pallu is this. Okay, pallu is in the nice peacock design. So the blouse is this. Blouse is in the colorful elephant in the cream color combination. So when I come forward, you can see how it looks on the face. So this is the final look. This is how it looks. Okay, all the silk sarees that I am showing are for 1150 rupees. So this is how it looks. Nice bright orange elephant color, elephant design. Okay, elephant design is a pretty famous one. We would have in the black also, but this time we don't have in the black. This is a kind of monochrome and the self what do you say, self contrast. So it is in the black and gray color combination. This is a unique and I have only one piece in this. So it generally in the black we get this color contrast, but this is something in the black and gray combination. Okay, nice black and gray combination it is. This is how it looks. This is the pallu. Pallu is this. This is only the single piece I have. Nice big center peacock you'll get. Yeah, this doesn't have border. Only small 3-inch border you'll be having here. So this is how it is when you put the steps and the look. So the blouse is this. This is the blouse. This is how it looks. Nice black, grey and the white combination. All these are Kalamkari silk sarees for 1150. Okay. This is the one in the white color. So in Kalamkari generally we don't get white, but we do white for some patterns and some designs. White also looks very elegant and very bright on the face. This is the nice crow design, crow or the bird design in the orange color on the white background. So white generally suits me very well. So white and the orange color combination, they are very peaceful, looks very peaceful kind. So this is,
Three colors.
in this we have 3 colors. So yeah, this is how it looks. When you put the steps, it looks very soothing and very peaceful and calm kind of thing. So this is the pallu. All the pallus you will be getting mostly in the peacock design itself. So this is the blouse. Okay, blouse you will be getting some ikat print kind of blouse you will be getting on the white background. So yes, this is how it looks. Okay, white and orange color combination. Sari in the crow design to Vinchana. This is for 1150. 1 second. Okay, the next one in the same pattern, it is in the green color combination, white and the green color combination. So yes, these are all very subtle and like very peaceful colors. Those who doesn't like really bright, or those who want to really wear nice and pretty new colors or new shades, this is how it is. You can search anywhere kalamkari, you would not find this kind of print for sure. If you find, you can let me know. Okay, yeah, this is how it is. So these are all the sarees we manufacture at our own house, as we have a production unit here. So all the designs or the color contrast, so everything of our choice we do. So this is how it looks in the nice neon green and the white color combination. So this is the pallu. Okay, this is the body, and this is the pallu in the same contrast with the pink peacocks, pink lines you will be getting. So this is the blouse in the same white color in the contrast. So yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, all these are silk sarees for 1150. The next one, in the same one, we have in the light white and the yellow color combination. You might hardly would be able to see this in the photos, because of, you know, they're kind of very light colors. So this is in the yellow color combination. Same we have in the orange, green, and this is yellow. Okay, this is in the yellow color. Same kind of pallu with the blue contrast lines you will be getting. So white and yellow color with the nice blue lines pallu. So this is how it looks. So this is some kind of contrast, or you know, it looks very elegant. And for the white silk sarees, you'll have a nice shine on the saree. I don't know if the shine is captured. You'll have that nice white shine because of the quality of the silk that I have mentioned in my previous videos as well. So yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, these are also for 1150, all silk sarees. Next I have been bringing you some old good designs. The old ones are always like very traditional and very beautiful ones. So because of this changing technology or the terms of usage for making kalamkari, the old designs have almost disappeared, and some new and trendy designs or some imitations we are getting. So these are like pretty old and traditional and liked by people. So basic kalamkari sarees kind. Okay, so this is one among them. This is the red floral one. I'll come koncham mundukoste, so you'll be able to see. So this is the one in the nice red floral kalamkari, reddish maroon floral kalamkari with the nice peacock border on the border of the saree. So yeah, this is how it looks. So this is the pallu. Pallu is again in the nice big peacock. Blouse is in the cream background with the black butta. So this is how it looks. Sorry, I'm draping it very bad. Maybe that's it's okay. So it is something like this. It looks nice. Red maroon floral color, floral design saree. So this is the floral. Again, I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm not mentioning for the every saree. So all the sarees, all the silk sarees are for 1150. Okay. All these silk sarees are very easy to carry and lightweight as well. So this is the orange swan design, orange color swan design with the blue swans. Okay, so we call this as all over sarees. What does that mean? All over will have the print. Okay, this is how it is. Nice orange color. On one side you'll have this border, So when you drape it, it looks good because this cream color small border comes upon the shoulder. So this is how it looks. Okay, nice orange color swan design uh, with the orange color background. So this is the pallu with the same peacock design, and this is the blouse. You will get in the cream color contrast with the peacocks. So this is the final look of the saree. Nice orange color swan design with the pallu. Okay, next saree. So same in the swan design, we have cream color swan design in the colorful cream color background in the blue color swan butta. So yeah, this is how it looks. Okay, so this is the design. So this is how it looks. So this is the pallu you will be getting in the pink peacock. Okay, so yeah, this is how it looks. So I'll put it on. When you put the pleats, that is something like this. Okay, I've already shown you the pallu. So blouse వచ్చేసి ఇలా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి ఇన్ ద క్రీమ్ కలర్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ బ్లూ స్వాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫైనల్ లుక్ శారీ విత్ ద పల్లు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ శారీ వచ్చేసి దిస్ ఇస్ వన్ యూనిక్ కలర్. ఇది ఒకటే ఉందా? అది వైట్, రెడ్లో, మరూన్లో ఒకటే ఉందా? సో దిస్ ఇస్ నైస్ బ్రైట్ కలర్ మెరూన్. సో ఈ డిజైన్ ఫర్ యూ టు అండర్స్టాండ్, ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ పట్టుకో. సో దిస్ డిజైన్ ఈజ్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దిస్. ఫుల్ వన్ లైన్ అంతా ఇట్లా స్టెమ్ లాగా వస్తుంది పైనుంచి కింద వరకు. దట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ స్టెమ్స్ విల్ హ్యావ్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ద శారీ. సో చాలా బాగుంటుంది వేసుకుంటే. సో వచ్చేసి ఇట్లా ఇట్లా క్రాస్గా వస్తాయి. వెన్ యూ వేర్ ఇట్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ఇట్ లైక్ క్రాస్. నైస్ బ్రైట్ రెడ్ మెరూన్ కలర్ విత్ ద పీకాక్ వచ్చేసి పీకాక్ ఇట్లా స్టెమ్స్ లాగా ఉంటుంది. సో దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్. పల్లు ఇస్ దిస్. పల్లు ఈజ్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ ద పీకాక్. ఓకే, ఇట్ విల్ బి లైక్ దిస్. It is something like this when you put it on. Okay, ఇదైతే చాలా బాగుంది. when you see in the camera, you are seeing video, you are seeing, right? This is something how it looks like this. So this is the pallu. Blouse వచ్చేసి this is the blouse. For all the kalamkari sarees, mostly you will get a cream background blouse. Whatever may be the body color, red, orange, blue, you will be getting a contrast cream color blouse. So this is how it looks. A new kind of design, maybe you will not have been seen. Next saree. So in the same combination we have, in the same design we have in the cream color as well. What is the color? So in the same single stem వస్తుంది అనమాట మొత్తం ఇదంతా. సో దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్. ఓకే, చాలా బాగుంది. అంటే ఇది ఎప్పుడో ఓల్డ్ డిజైన్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ అగైన్ రీమేడ్ ఇట్ విత్ ద ఫ్రేమ్స్ వీ హ్యావ్. ఓకే, this is how it looks. So this is the pallu and this is the blouse. Same atla cream background blouse ఉంది. So this is how it looks. The final look నాకైతే ఇది చాలా నచ్చింది, this color particularly. సో న్యూ కైండ్లో ఉంది, క్రీమ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ విత్ కలర్ఫుల్ కాంబినేషన్ కదా. ఇది ఎప్పుడుది? బాగుంది, పాత డిజైన్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ ఇట్ లుక్స్. సో ద నెక్స్ట్ శారీ. Next is in the small chakras design in the green color background with the multicolor chakras. So in this we have two colors. One is in the green background, another one is the pink color. So itla chakras vachesi kalamkari style kanna you will have the trendy look untundi koncham all over chakras. So yeah, this is how it looks. So pallu vachesi pallu you will be having like this. Villevru దేవుళ్ళు. ఓకే, సమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ రాధా కృష్ణ ఆర్ సమ్ గాడ్ మోటివ్ డిజైన్స్ ఉంటుంది. సమ్ పీపుల్ డజంట్ ప్రిఫర్ టు వేర్ ఎ గాడ్ డిజైన్ లైక్ దిస్ అనమాట. దెన్ దే కెన్ గో ఫర్ ఎ పీకాక్ డిజైన్. సో యా, సో వెన్ యూ ప్లీట్ ఇట్, it will be like this. So contrast some 4 inches or 5 inches border. You have a blue color icharu. So all over same green and ikkada border lo blue vachindi kabatti the look will be like this. The look will be very pretty and it is very good when you wear. So pallu chupichanu kada, Blouse is like this. Blouse kuda green ki cream color contrast and it looks very very good. So in this design, the next color వచ్చేసి pink. Same small multicolor chakras in the pink background. Okay, it is something like this. For this also cream background blouse వస్తుంది కాబట్టి కాంట్రాస్ట్ కదా, it looks చాలా బాగుంటుంది వేసుకున్నప్పుడు. So this is the pallu. Pallu is again that human or god kind of design వస్తుంది. So blouse is again this. So blouse చూడండి ఇట్లా క్రీమ్ కలర్ ఇట్లా కాంట్రాస్ట్ వచ్చేటప్పటికి పింక్ క్రీమ్ కలర్కి ఇట్ లుక్స్ వెరీ గుడ్. సో ఫర్ దిస్ ఆల్సో సమ్ 3 to 4 inches బార్డర్ ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చున్నారు కదా ఇన్ ద బ్లూ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్. సో వెన్ యూ పుట్ ద స్టెప్స్ ఇట్ విల్ బి లైక్ దిస్. సో ఇట్ లుక్స్ వెరీ ఎలిగెంట్, అంటే డీసెంట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ డీసెంట్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ పింక్ వన్ ఇన్ ద చక్రాస్. ఏసీ ఆపాము. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఫ్లోరల్ డిజైన్ అనమాట. పట్టుకో, all over floral design. So in the bottom you'll be having the deers. So ఇక్కడ నుంచి one big tree లాగా ఉండి కింద వచ్చేసి you'll be having this deers design. So why the reason I'm showing you is when I wear only 3/4 you will be able to see me, but design కింద beautiful గా ఉంది, that's why I'm showing you. So this is the all over floral or the stems. ఇది చాలా famous design. ఇది చాలా కొంచెం ఫేమస్ డిజైన్ ఇది, అంటే పీపుల్ లైక్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డిజైన్. ఫేమస్ అంటే దే ప్రిఫర్ దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ డిజైన్. సో వెన్ యూ వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ దిస్. ద డీస్ విచ్ ఆర్ ఎట్ ద బాటమ్ ఇట్ కమ్స్ ఆన్ ద షోల్డర్ అనమాట. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ దిస్. సో ఆల్ ఓవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ దిస్. పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి ఇట్ విల్ బి లైక్ దిస్ ఇన్ ద 2 peacocks అనమాట. సో బ్లౌజ్ ఇస్ దిస్. బ్లౌజ్ ఇస్ ఇన్ ద క్రీమ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్. So this is the overall look. Nice soft silk sarees. So again I am repeating, all the soft silk sarees are for 1150 rupees. Okay, in the same design we have one more which is in the maroon background anamata. Okay, maroon background, same that floral kind of design vastundi. So this is bright, that is subtle color. ఇది వచ్చేసి నైస్ మరూన్ కలర్ విత్ ద బ్లూ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ వస్తుంది. పల్లు ఇస్ దిస్. పల్లు ఇస్ ఇన్ ద పీకాక్ డిజైన్ అండ్ ద బ్లౌజ్ ఇస్ ఇన్ ద క్రీమ్ కలర్ డిజైన్. సో ఇది కొంచెం బ్రైట్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్, డార్క్ మరూన్ విత్ ద గ్రీన్ బ్లూ అలా వస్తుంది అనమాట. సో వెన్ యూ పుట్ ఇట్ ఆన్ ద షోల్డర్ ఆ డిఎస్ వచ్చేసి ఇలా వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఇట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ వెన్ యూ ప్లీట్ ఇట్. ఓకే, సో యా, nice maroon color floral design all over. So this is how it looks. Next, yeah, this is geometrical design. You can have a look. This is we call it like geometry design. So asymmetrical ga untundi mottham design anta kuda, but when you put it on yourself koncham new ga untundi. Okay, this is it. When you put on yourself కొంచెం asymmetric గా ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి జామెట్రీ డిజైన్ ఇట్ లుక్స్ గుడ్. ఐ మీన్ లైక్ ఇట్ లుక్స్ ఫ్యాన్సీ. సో పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి ఇట్ విల్ బి ఇన్ ద పీకాక్. సో బ్లౌజ్ ఇస్ లైక్ దిస్ కలర్ఫుల్ స్టెమ్స్, ఇట్లా స్టెమ్స్ అంతా వస్తుంది పళ్ళులో. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, when you put the steps it is like this. So దగ్గరగా ఉండే డిజైన్ కాబట్టి it looks very good when you wear it. Okay, this is how it looks. Geometrical design. Okay, this is nice pink floral design. I have a model picture as well wearing this, but I forgot to arrange it for this live session. I really forgot. I'm gonna post it on the wall as well. Okay, or I'm gonna put a cover image for this video so that it will be easy to check for you. Okay, this is nice pink, nice bright pink all over floral design. Okay, చాలా చాలా బాగుంటుంది వేసుకుంటే. You can see the model picture wearing. I'm gonna post it, or when I'm telling in this video ask me for the model picture, I'll send you. Okay, so it is like this nice pink floral all over వస్తుంది. So nice 3 to 4 inches border on the other side of the saree. So when you put steps it is something like this. So pallu vachesi, pallu is this. Pallu is in the cream peacock. Blouse is also in the cream multicolor flowers anamata. So it is something like this. Okay, nice pink all over with the pallu, pink floral saree. Next is our all-time favorite hit one. This is a zigzag design. Okay, zigzag design with nice 6 to 7 inches border వస్తుంది. Okay, zigzag is like all-time favorite. That too in the black and cream color combination. It is such a beauty. ఎవరికైనా కూడా చాలా బాగుంటుంది. So in this almost we would have sold more than 100 sarees. Only this zigzag design. It is that famous అన్నమాట. So pallu వచ్చేసి you'll be having in the black color contrast. Nice peacock pallu వస్తుంది. So it will be like this. నైస్ మంచిగా చెస్ట్ పైన కింద వరకు ఇట్లా బిగ్ బార్డర్ వస్తుంది. ఆన్ బోత్ ద సైడ్స్ విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్. సో ద లుక్ వచ్చేసి ఇలా ఉంటుంది. సో బ్లౌజ్ వచ్చేసి విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ ఇన్ ద నైస్ ఇట్లా ఫ్లోరల్ ప్యాటర్న్ డిజైన్లో ఉంటుంది. సో సిల్క్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ సాఫ్ట్ అండ్ చాలా వెరీ సూదింగ్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఫైనల్ లుక్. సో వెన్ యూ ప్లేట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దిస్. చాలా బాగుంటుంది. జిగ్జాగ్ అనేది ఇట్స్ అన్ ఎవర్ గ్రీన్ ప్యాటర్న్, ఆల్ టైమ్ హిట్. Okay, next saree is in the red Amravati Buddha. So this is Amravati Buddha, what we call, or the Gautam Buddha saree. Nice red Gautam Buddha saree. So basically any sarees, all the sarees are pretty. There is no much variation that it is this is only good. So all the sarees are very good, just that what is the color you don't have or which suits you better, the design you can choose that. So this is nice red Gautam Buddha saree. So when you plait it, it will be like this. Okay, so I'm gonna make it a little fast. So there is no much explanation I can do. I can show you the color and that's all. So it is the same explanation for everything. So that's the pallu and this is the blouse. So yes, this is how it looks. Okay, red Gautam Buddha saree. Okay, next saree, the same Gautam Buddha in the black color. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. Nice Gautam Buddha with the black color combination. So yes, yeah, this is how it looks. Nice same black and cream color combination. Pallu will be in the peacock color. Blouse is this. Blouse is in the small butta. Okay, it is something like this. When you put the steps, it is like this. This also have some 3 to 4 inches border on the other side of the saree. So this is how it looks when you put the steps. Okay, this is black Gautam Buddha saree. Next we'll jump into the florals. This is the nice light, very subtle color combination. I personally like it, and the silk is also little shiny and very soft. In the all over sarees, this is the last design. Okay, no much explanation, but so when I put it on me, you'll be able to see how it looks. Next. So this is how it looks. Nice cream color with the red and yellow color flowers. So in the border also you'll be getting this small border. Okay, yeah, this is how it looks. When you pleat it, it is like this. With the small border you'll be getting on the other side of the saree. Okay, this is the pallu. Pallu is in the peacock design. Blouse is in the multicolor red and black color stems kind of thing. So this is how it looks. Okay, nice subtle cream color with the yellow and red color combination saree. Okay, this is the last in the floral. Just a moment. Yes, I'm back. Okay, next we are gonna see all over designs with the dyeing as well. So I'm gonna show you some designs. If you any of my old customers is seeing this video, you would be able to relate to it. Half and half. These are half and half designs. First half of the saree is in one color. Second half of the design will be in the other color. The middle partition will be of some design. Okay, I'm gonna show you for one saree. I'm gonna open and show you. So this is how it will be. Okay, First of the saree is in purple, second half of the saree is in methi green, and in the middle you will be having the instrumental design in the blue color. So this is how it looks. Yeah, very bright and very hit combination this is, and this is a unique model. This type of half and half also you will not find anywhere in any, maybe in any kalamkari stores, because very minimal people, very minimal production units do produce this. Okay, in the single pleat when you put, it is something like this. So half will be in the green, methi green, blue and the violet. Okay, pallu is this. Pallu is in the some houses, some scenery kind of thing. Pallu blouse is in the cream background with the small leaf black color design. So it is something like this. Hope you like this new design. People long back have asked me a lot for this kind. So this is how it looks when you put it on a single layer. Okay, it is something like this when you put the steps. So it is like a jewel, it's an amalgam of two colors. So it is in the jewel color. One inside goes to one color and the top one comes to a contrast one. So it is something like this. Okay, all these half and half are also for 1150 rupees. Actually these are for 1350, but it's a I've made it as a single price, because for this kind of design we take double the work what we do, because this one pattern we have to put and color it, and the second one is another pattern, and in middle we have to leave the gap and again color it. So it is like this. So this is in the dark golden or mustard yellow with the nice maroon color combination. You'll have nice peacocks in the border. So this is, I think 3-4 colors you'll have, but it will not look odd. So when I put it on myself, you are seeing, right? So this is in the peacock design, nice bright peacock design you'll be having. So when you put it on single pallu, it is like this. Of all the designs what I have shown, you're feeling it is unique, right? So that is the reason. This is half and half designs these are. So this is the blouse. Blouse is like this. Some special kind of design. I don't know what is. I think this is a mango design in the cream background. Okay, this is how it looks on the single pallu. On the double pallu again, it is like this. So on the top it is maroon, on the inside it will be a golden mustard color combination. Okay, next. So the next, only single pieces, huh? So this is in the nice purple color with the pink color combination. Purple with the pink color combination. Purple, black and nice bright baby pink. So this is how it looks. So this is how it looks. Okay, nice purple color, and on the other end this is the pink color. Is singular, double? Migtavi? Okay. This is how it looks. Okay, nice purple on the first half of the body, and the second half is the pink. So when you drape it, it looks lovely. So blue and pink is always a great combination, right? So chala bagundi kada. కొంచెం తెలుగులో మాట్లాడుకుందాం అంటే అవార్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంగ్లీష్. ఎనీవేస్, సో ఇట్లా పర్పుల్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్, పర్పుల్ పింక్ చాలా బాగుంది, కొంచెం మస్తుగా ఉంది ఇదైతే. సో మంచిగా ఇట్లా మంచిగా డిజైన్ కూడా మధ్యలో ఇట్లా మ్యూజికల్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్ కదా. సో పళ్ళు వచ్చేసి పళ్ళు అగైన్ ఇట్లా హౌసెస్ ఇల్లులంతా వస్తుంది. బ్లౌజ్ ఇస్ దిస్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఆల్సో ఐ హావ్ షోడ్. ఓకే, నైస్ సాఫ్ట్ సిల్క్, కొంచెం ట్రెండీగా ఉంటుంది, ట్రెండీ ఇన్ కలంకారీ. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో హాఫ్ అండ్ హాఫ్ డిజైన్. పట్టుకో, డార్క్ నేవీ బ్లూ, purple with the chest checks design on the, these are all so everything is our own kind of design and own idea. The production unit is in our hands kabatti, so we do some kind of trials. So this kind of half and half design, if you people are liking, do pass me a review so that we'll make more colors or more designs in this. So this is how it looks. So somewhere it looks like a monochrome color, and somewhere if you put like this, so it looks like a jewel color saree also. So both the ways you can feel it when you wear it. So it is like this. So in middle, you know, if it comes like this, టింజ్ ఆఫ్ బ్యూటీ విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్. చూడండి ఇక్కడ డార్క్ నేవీ బ్లూ, ఇక్కడ బ్లాక్ అండ్ వైట్ చెక్స్, ఇక్కడ పర్పుల్. సో ఎలా, సో హౌ డస్ ఇట్ లుక్ వెన్ యూ వేర్? అ టింజ్ ఆఫ్ బ్యూటీ ఈస్ యాడింగ్ ఆన్ ద కలర్స్, రైట్? సో యా, this is like this. So pallu is this. Pallu is in the peacock and some humans are there. So blouse is this. So this single piece color. This is the blouse. So purple and navy blue, this is the single single piece. Next identi emerald green. So the next is koncham jarapu, the bright pink with the emerald green. So this is another unique design. You can feel that authentic kalamkari. Okay, so in the middle if you see, the ladies are holding this em cheptaru, lamp, deepam pattukoni unnar anamata. This is some kind of unique design. Okay, this is how it is. This is sampenga or some that emerald green kind of thing with the nice bright baby pink color. So enta baagundo. So when you put it on, it will be like this. Idi kuda ante, the before saree like how I explained. No, video lo chala baga kanipistundi. So this is in the green. చూస్తాను ఇక్కడ. This is in the green, this is in the pink. When you put the steps or the plates, you know, this kind of blue వచ్చేసి it will be coming in the middle. So you know, it looks very colorful. So the same how you are seeing me in the video, how beautiful and colorful it looks with nice highlighters are there. When you wear it on the single pleat also, you can flaunt like this. Okay, this is how it is. You will get a mango design in the pallu. Blouse వచ్చేసి, blouse you will be having in the white and the cream color cream and black color combination. Last one, so patko, this is the one in the green and the dark maroon color combination. Same kind of design we have seen in the musical drums instruments. So అందులో this is another combination. So these are all single pieces. I'll quickly wind it up. త్వరగా చూపించేద్దాం. Okay na? So this is in the nice neon or the parrot green color with the maroon color combination. Okay, this is how it looks on the single pleat. So this is the pallu vachesi you'll be having in the peacock, and this is the blouse. So when you pleat it, it will be like this nice dual color combination. In the center lo itla, when you get center design like this, it adds one more kuchu okati ahead avutundi. So it is like this. Okay, this is in the neon green and the burgundy color combination. This is basically okay. The next saree, please. So in the same design, in the middle of musical instruments vachelaka, this is in the purple and the yellow color combination. Okay, purple and yellow color combination. This is, so this is in the middle itla untundi. So when you wear it is like this. Okay, okay, this is the purple and the yellow color combination in middle. All these sarees are for 1250 in yeah, all these sarees for dual color sarees are for 1250 anamata. So this is how it looks. So please don't mind. Before I have told it 1150, right? I have just got instruction. No, it is little costly and more work has to be done for that. So it is something like this, purple and the yellow color combination with the middle. It is like musical instruments here. All these dual color sarees are for 1250. Please note. For before detailing, I'm really sorry. I'm sorry for the confusion. This is the pallu. Pallu is something like this. Okay, this is the blouse. It is something like this. Okay, so this is the yellow and the purple color combination.
Same colors.
Design? Okay, this is in the burgundy and the red color combination. In the middle you will be having koncham light pink color of thing, pink color with the nice same musical instruments in the middle. This is burgundy and the red color, some rare color combination itself, it is rare, red and burgundy. So when you put the steps, it is like this nice red with the burgundy body anta vastundi. So it is like this. So pallu okay, right? Pallu is in the blue color. blue color houses and some scenery kind of thing. Blouse is in the cream color, musical instruments. So this is how it looks. Burgundy with the red color combination. All these dual color sarees are for 1250. Okay, next color. Next is in the burgundy with the light blue color combination. So this is how it looks with the same musical instruments design in the middle. So really koncham different kind of colors only they have picked for the contrast. Burgundy with the light blue, very bright. This is something like this when you put the steps. Nice, some dual color combination. This is how it looks. Okay, so this is the pallu. So when you put the steps it is like this. So pallu vachesi, pallu is again in the house design. Blouse is this small buttas. Okay, this is the final look. Burgundy with the blue color combination. Okay, the next color. చూపిలేదా? Okay, this is in the yellow and the burgundy color combination. చూసారు కదా, ఫాస్ట్గా వచ్చేసేయండి. Okay, this is how it looks. Nice lemon yellow with the burgundy color combination. Yeah, this is something like this. When you plate nice lemon yellow, over it you will get a burgundy color. Okay, I'll show you the pallu with the center lo vachesi it is in the blue color with the instruments, same kind of design, so that I'm not giving much of explanation. So the pallu is also the same, blouse is again the same. So basically this is lemon yellow color with the burgundy color combination. So this is the look. All these dual color sarees are for 1250. So this is the other one. Nice light color. Em blue idi? Very light color, glass color with the burgundy color. With the center lo vachesi you'll have a Buddha partition. Okay, this is how it is. Nice brown color peacock border anta vastundi paina. Okay, this is how it is. Pallu is this. Pallu is in the peacock design. Pallu is in the peacock design. Pallu is in the peacock design. So the blouse is like this in the white background. So when you drape it, it is like this. So additionally you will have this big border also for this particular saree. So 2 to 3 additional things it is there in this saree. So this is how it looks. Nice blue with the burgundy color. Okay, next color వచ్చేసి this is nice కొంచెం dark pink with the ఏం కలర్ మనది? No, dark what green it is? Okay, some dark kind of Kargil color anta. So some Kargil color ledi. So Kargil color combination. So some people might like this new kind of designs. Nakaithe nachindi because it is looking very good on me. On you also it looks very good when you wear. So you really have to buy it. So yes, this also has got some big border. So this is a Kargil kind of Kargil green color with the pink color contrast, blue color border, and in the partition you'll have the green color. So it looks like this. చాలా బ్రైట్గా ఉంది, అన్ని కలర్స్ మంచి బ్రైట్గా ఉన్నాయి. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు is also bright, so it looks something like this. Okay, this is the blouse is anyways the same kind of design. This is how it looks. Next, Nada. Okay, am I dull? Okay, నేను డల్ అయ్యానని చెప్తున్నారు. I don't want to be dull. Finishing, I wanted to finish it with so much of energy. So yes, this is the next color. This is the nice mustard yellow color with the burgundy color combination. Center lo vachesi Buddha print will be there. So idu vachesi the red color peacock. For this also when you drape it, it is like this. అంటే బర్గండీ నా డ్రెస్ కూడా బర్గండీ అయ్యి కలిసిపోయింది రెండు. సో వెన్ యూ పుట్ ఆన్ ఇట్ విల్ బి లైక్ దిస్ నైస్ మస్టర్డ్ ఎల్లో కలర్ కాంబినేషన్. ఇన్ మిడిల్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ద బ్లూ కలర్. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు డ్రేప్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దిస్. నాకేం పెద్ద చీర కట్టుకోవడం అంత మంచిగా రాదు, బట్ ఐఎమ్ జస్ట్ టెల్లింగ్ యూ అన్ ఐడియా, దట్స్ ఆల్. ఒక బ్లూ కనిపించేలాగా మరూన్ అండ్ దిస్ బర్గండీ, సో ఇట్ లుక్స్ సంథింగ్ లైక్ దిస్ అనమాట. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద పల్లు. ఓకే, this is the blouse. So this is how it looks, burgundy and the mustard yellow color combination. Okay, next saree is my favorite. Nice anand blue and the orange color combination. Itla drums design anta vastundi madyalo. Okay, both are nice bright color combination. So it is like this. Nice blue color with the orange color combination. So I'll wind it up fast. It is already 40 minutes. Lengthy videos Instagram anta తీసుకోవట్లేదండి. It's being a very hectic task for me to upload. Okay, so this is how it looks. Nice orange color with the blue color combination. Super గా ఉంది కదా. So this is how it looks. Nice orange with the blue color combination. So this is the pallu. Idi blouse. So this is how it looks. Orange blue color combination. Okay, hope it's clear. Next. Oh thank God, the last one. Na gonta endipoyindi already. My throat is already drying. The nice lemon yellow color with the emerald green combination. Nice lemon yellow with the emerald green combination. So this is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks. ఇది కూడా చాలా సూపర్గా ఉంది. ఐఎమ్ ఎండింగ్ ఇట్ విత్ అ వెరీ నైస్ అండ్ ప్రెటీ అండ్ బ్రైట్ కలర్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఇన్ ద ఎమరల్డ్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ విత్ ద లెమన్ yellow. This is how it looks. Very pretty one. Last one. All the people have to see the video till last, so then you'll be able to find a nice pretty color. So this is the last one. This is the pallu. So this is the blouse. Okay, nice last lemon yellow color with the emerald green combination. So yes, this is how it looks. Unche parledu, unche pai chepta. So yes, with this we are going to end this show. This is fully of kalamkari sarees. So hope you have liked the collection. You can take a screenshot of the product which you like and you can immediately message me. So there is very limited stock. Any reviews or any comments, you can directly message me like how you are doing. Thank you so much. Take care.
Shining.